First, clone the code to your Raspberry Pi. Open the terminal. Switch on the speaker. Play an audio file to test the speaker.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Update the package list. Install the old display library. Enter the Freenove code folder. List the test commands. Use the up and down arrows on keyboard to navigate the command history. Run the test code to test the components. Press Ctrl+C to exit the program. Check whether the old can be detected. Testing the old display. Press Ctrl+C to exit the program. Test the fans. The fan accelerates, then decelerates to a halt, and this process repeats. Press Ctrl+C to exit the program. Test the RGB lights. There are 4 modes for the lights. Press Ctrl+C to exit the program. Press Ctrl+C to exit the program. If you use the SSD, you can check whether it can be detected. Next, you can run the overall test. Press Ctrl plus C to exit the program. You can set the modules to start up automatically when booting up. Reboot your Raspberry Pi for it to take effect. You can see the LEDs lighting up and the old display system information. If you do not want to turn off the lights, you can modify the code. Open the application file to modify. Set the LED mode to 0. Save the changes and close the file. Reboot to have the change take effect. Now the lights are off. The lights on the fans cannot be turned off.